Hello friends, welcome back to Healthy Kadai. In my last recipe, I had shared a sugar-free, oil-free chocolate cake recipe with all of you. If you have missed watching that video, please do check out the link in the description box below. Today I am sharing another sugar-free cake, which is whole wheat carrot walnut cake. I am sure you will really like this cake too. It's very simple, very delicious and absolutely yummy. So let's see how to prepare it. We'll take 2 cups of seedless dates. In weight, this is approximately 300 to 350 grams. To this, we'll add 1 cup of hot milk. Now we need to soak dates in milk at least for 30 minutes. It's been half an hour. Now we'll take a blender jar into which we'll transfer dates and milk. And now we need to blend it until smooth. We'll transfer this date milk puree. To this dates puree, we'll add 3/4 cup of oil, 1/4 cup of curd, and we need to blend it nicely. Into our wet ingredients, now we'll sieve our dry ingredients. So here goes 2 cups of whole wheat flour or atta, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, so now we need to combine both dry ingredients with our wet ingredients. We'll gradually add half a cup of milk, in this batter now we'll add half a cup of carrot, and along with it I have few chopped dates, and then goes few chopped walnuts to add to the crunch. And now we'll combine these. Our batter is ready. Let's transfer it in a mold. So here I have an 8-inch baking dish with me, which I have already lined with parchment paper. We'll garnish it with few chopped dates. And few chopped walnuts. This is a very healthy cake where we have used whole wheat flour and no sugar. We have used dates for natural sweetness, and of course we have added carrots. So all in all, a very healthy cake. Now we will bake it. I'll be baking my cake in a convection microwave at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes until it is properly done. Our cake is baked properly. It took me 35 minutes to bake this cake. Now we'll loosen out the edges. We'll flip it over and just look at this. It's absolutely clean. Our cake is ready. We'll cut it in desired shape. Friends, just look at this. So friends, this is a sugar-free, healthy whole wheat cake. It's absolutely soft and it's so moist from inside with nice crust on top. I'm sure you'll really love the taste of this cake too. So do try it out and let me know how does it turn out for you. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please give us a thumbs up, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai to watch more such healthy and interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.